Why so many people snoring and do nothing about it?
Oh, snoring, but they don't come to the doctor, right? I'll give you the answer to that, and it's fear of CPAP syndrome. So, a lot of people know that if they snore, the first thing their doctor is going to say is, well, you need a sleep study, and then they're on the treadmill to getting a CPAP machine. And most everybody says, I just don't want to do that. So, if you start with the treatment in mind, you're lost. People need to be empowered with more than that.